Hey there, running out of storage in your Gmail account? One way to free up space is by deleting old backups and unnecessary files. Let's walk through how to delete backups in Gmail. Start by logging in your Gmail account on your PC. For this, open your preferred web browser and log into your account. Now, backups in Gmail are often stored as attachments or in emails labeled with terms like backup, archive, or export. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in keywords like backup or attachment and click enter. Once the result loads, click the small checkbox at the top left corner. This will select all of your emails right here. Once you select it, click on this delete button and your conversations will be moved to trash. Again, search for backup, delete this. In the same way, your deleted emails are moved to the trash folder, but they still take up some space. To permanently free up storage, go to the trash folder. From here, click on more. You can see trash folder right here. Click on it and click on this icon. Click on delete forever. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you have successfully deleted backups and freed up valuable storage in your Gmail account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Bye bye.